Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, you will learn 30 easy but useful English phrases that are perfect for A2 level learners. These phrases will help you feel more confident when speaking. Let's get started. 1. It's been a long day. This phrase means you had a tiring or busy day. You can use it when you feel exhausted after work or school. It's been a long day. I just want to relax and watch a movie. 2. I'm not sure. Say this when you don't know the answer or when you're uncertain. It sounds more natural than just saying, I don't know. I'm not sure if the meeting is at 2 or 3 o'clock. 3. That sounds great. Use this when you agree with an idea or like a suggestion. It shows enthusiasm and positivity. Let's go to the new Italian restaurant tonight. That sounds great. 4. I'm looking forward to it. This means you are excited or happy about something that will happen in the future. The holiday starts next week. I'm really looking forward to it. 5. Could you repeat that, please? A polite way to ask someone to say something again. Useful when you don't understand the first time. Could you repeat that, please? I didn't catch what you said. 6. I don't feel well. Use this when you feel sick or tired. It's a polite way to say you're not okay. I'm going to lie down for a while. I don't feel well. 7. What do you think? Ask this when you want someone's opinion. It's a good way to keep a conversation going. I really like this dress. What do you think? 8. It doesn't matter. Say this when something is not important or when it's okay to forget about it. I'm sorry I didn't call you back. It doesn't matter. I understand you were busy. 9. I'll be there in 10 minutes. This is a helpful phrase for daily plans or when meeting someone. Don't worry, I'm almost ready. I'll be there in 10 minutes. 10. Can I ask you something? Use this when you want to start a question or ask for help. It's polite and common in friendly situations. Can I ask you something? Do you have any good book recommendations? 11. Let me check. Use this when you need a moment to look for information or remember something. What time does the movie start? Let me check. I think it's at 8 p.m. 12. That's a good idea. Say this when you agree with someone's suggestion or plan. Let's study together this weekend. That's a good idea. 13. It's up to you. Use this when you let the other person decide. Do you want to go out or stay in? It's up to you. 14. I'm a bit tired. This means you are a little tired but not feeling very bad. I'll go to bed early tonight. I'm a bit tired. 15. I hope so. Say this when you want something to happen or you are optimistic. Do you think it will stop raining soon? I hope so. 16. It's not a big deal. Use this to say something is not a problem or not very important. Sorry I forgot to bring the book. Don't worry, it's not a big deal. 17. I didn't catch that. Use this when you didn't hear or understand something clearly. I didn't catch that. Can you say it again, please? 18. That makes sense. Say this when something is logical or easy to understand. So we'll go early to avoid traffic. That makes sense. 19. I'm used to it. Use this when something is normal for you because you've done it many times. Isn't it hard to wake up at 6 a.m.? Not really. I'm used to it. 20. I agree with you. Say this when you think the same as the other person. I think the movie was too long. I agree with you. 21. I'm on my way. This means you are going to the place now or already coming. Where are you? I'm on my way. I'll be there soon. 22. Take your time. Use this to tell someone to relax and not hurry. I need a few more minutes. That's okay. Take your time. 23. I'm not sure what you mean. Say this when you don't understand someone clearly. Can you explain again? I'm not sure what you mean. 24. Don't worry about it. Say this to comfort someone. It means it's okay or no problem. I forgot to text you. Don't worry about it. 25. What's wrong? Ask this when someone looks upset or something is not okay. You look sad. What's wrong? 26. Do you need any help? Use this when offering help to someone politely. That looks heavy. Do you need any help? 27. That's interesting. Say this when you find something new or surprising. I read a book about space travel. That's interesting. 28. I'm just kidding. Use this when you say something as a joke, not seriously. You're fired. What? Relax. I'm just kidding. 29. Let's keep in touch. Say this when you want to continue talking or seeing someone in the future. I enjoyed talking with you. Let's keep in touch. 30. Thanks for your time. Use this when someone helps you or spends time with you. It's polite and respectful. Thanks for your time. I really appreciate it. That's it for today. Now you know 30 useful phrases to practice your English every day. Repeat them, use them, and speak with confidence. See you next time.